Cylinder 1 glow plug is dead. It's causing this kind of unstable run. It's worse if it's cold outside, but now it's pretty warm, so it's not that unstable at the moment. But you can hear it's like change in the running sound. So here's the trouble code I get. Glow plug for cylinder 1. If I try to clear this, it comes back. As you can see, there's an open circuit. So glow plug coil is broken. This is 10 years old car, so it's not a surprise. I will not change only one, because if I open that rocker cover, I'm just gonna change them all. I have been driving long distance, so this engine is very hot at the moment, so I will let it be on the standstill like this for a couple of hours before starting to open anything. So here's the rocker cover seal, which I want to change when I open that, because that needs to be open if you want to get access to these glow plugs. Cost 87 euros. So got this far, I got this rocker cover out, and I think this has been kind of like a pain in the ass. I needed to take this cooling and fuel piping a little bit out from here, and then I covered it with the zip tie to hold it in place. I needed to take this intake air piping a little bit out and its holder. Rocker cover bolts are TX27 here. So TX27. And then some stuff like 10mm opener to get this part out so you can lift these cables. And then that cover came out. These glow plugs are here. I was scared how to get these glow plug harness wires out. It looks like people are using pliers, but so I have to be really careful, I think, because I need to go there and pull them up. Okay, I was able to remove those wires. I used this kind of pliers, and these are looking like this. Got inside and clean my tools. This is 8mm bolt socket. Anyway, should be now clean because I don't want any crap inside here. I saw some other YouTuber doing this way, that he used this kind of pipe which he put into the end of glow plug. I'll show you what he did. To select the pipe, you just use as an example the new glow plug. So I just put this pipe in this glow plug and turn. Do this without camera. I'm just gonna get it out and compare new one with that and put the new one there. We'll use copper paste on these threads. So next thing I do is compare, and then in this thread part here I put in the new little bit copper paste, just a little bit, and put it in there, screw it down using this pipe, and then using a torque wrench to tighten it to 10 Newton meters. Trying to lift it up carefully like this. And I have next one prepared. I'm gonna insert it into this pipe and then as carefully as possible put it down. Turn it till clicks like that. That was 10 Newton meters there. And then repeat the process for next one. Of course I will connect this harness next. Okay, that's it. Everything is removed and changed, all the glow plugs, and then all the harnesses here, here and here, they are connected. And the one interesting thing is that I want to know why there's metal particles here in this area. I need to ask this from my real mechanic who knows more about this stuff. So anyway, I will now cover this and continue tomorrow when I have the seal. Now I got the proper rocker cover seal. This should be the one that suits because it has this small ring setting, which is here, this. So I start installing that. So rocker cover seal is installed, and now this rocker cover seal mount bolts go through, and this part comes on top of this rubber in here, like here. It goes like that. Stays there and doesn't fall out. Also the rocker cover was cleaned from outside and inside. I got a little bit help of installing the rocker cover back here because of some stuff in a way and don't want any crap inside. One note, this new kit has a different bolts. Old one has this kind of end, and this is this kind of useful then. And I will just hand tighten these and then put them in 10 Newton meters with torque wrench. Now that all the threads find their place, I will tighten them a little bit at the time, like in this kind of star shape, and then use the torque wrench to do the same in the star shape. One more note, I had battery disconnected the whole time of making this disassembly. I'm gonna start the car first time now. We tested those old glow plugs with a battery and find out that 3 of them heat up fast. Of course it was 4.4 volt meant for those glow plugs, but we used 12. It doesn't matter, they're old, going in the trash. But 3 of them heated up fast, and the first, which was in the cylinder one, just didn't heat much at all, little bit, but coil doesn't work anymore, so it was very clear. And that glow plug error doesn't pop up anymore. I will do test drives, and next morning actually we'll try it as a cold again, so we'll see if it will pop up, but from running sound it's much better, and so I believe it's fixed. I go do some normal test drive, get this car warm. This car is currently very cold, so it should have been popping up already.